Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by tapping on it and then you need to press the crown button to open the menu. In the menu find the workout icon, the green one with the running person, then tap on it and here we have the list of workouts. So find the workout you would like to start and then tap on it, or just simply select it. You don't need to tap on it, you can just wait until the menu appears. Okay, and once the menu appears, you have a few options. Right here in the tab, you can tap on the icon, the top left corner, to change the workout views. And here basically you can change the pages during the workout, and you can tap on the switch to enable them, to include them. And you can also edit some of the pages. So if you find the page with the edit button, you can tap on it and it allows you to basically add stats, remove stats and stuff like that. You can option off, you can tap on the option you want to add, maybe heart rate, and once you're done you can tap on X to go back and the changes should be applied. Okay, and once you're done with the workout views, you can also tap on this icon right here in the top right corner to open the goals and targets, and here you can basically set goals for your workout. You can add the goal, and for example, let's say calories, and let's say I want to burn whole 80 calories during our workout. You can add another one if you want to, and you can also create a custom workout or warm-up or stuff like that. Okay. And once you're done, you can also tap right here to enable the auto media play if you want to. And also you can tap on this icon right here in the bottom right corner to set up alerts for heart rate or time if you like to have some alerts during your workout. And once you're done setting up, you can tap on the start button to start the workout. You'll see the countdown, and once it's done, the workout will begin. And here we have our pages with the information. And you can also swipe left, or rather right, my bad, right, to open this menu. And here you can pause, resume workout. You can segment it, basically make it like a lap. You can end it. You can stop it. What else we can do? If you swipe left on the screen, it will open the music play, and here basically you can control the music either on your watch, or you can select different device right here by connecting it and selecting a different device from the list. And that's about all. If you want to stop the workout, you can tap on end, and the workout will be stopped. Okay, and that's how you start the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.